Hello and welcome to my Udemy course marketing tutorial on Udemy Connections. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the interconnectedness of various online marketing opportunities when it comes to Udemy. Let's begin with you, the instructor. That's where everything starts in the Udemy Connections diagram. The instructor sends promotional announcements, emails, that contain embedded course $9.99 discount links to Udemy courses. Now, I want to talk about first promotional announcement emails and how to create them, and then the $9.99 discount links that you put in them. First, I want to point out that promotional announcements with $9.99 discount links in them constitute 50% of my Udemy revenue. So it's a significant amount of revenue. Now, how do you create a promotional announcement? Well, first, you click on the communications icon on the far left of the screen. In the menu to the right, you select announcements, and in announcements, you select promotional emails, and then you click compose, and you'll be prompted to fill out a screen to send a promotional announcement. This is an example of a promotional announcement I've sent recently for a course. And you can see that it's got a link to the course embedded in it with a coupon code argument that specifies a discount of $9.99. Now, the other thing that you need to do is set up the coupons in the first place by going to the Promotions tab on the instructor's screen. Here you'll find your referral link and a button to get to coupon links. Your referral link is permanent. It always exists, and it always gives you 97% of whatever the course sells for. If Udemy's having a sale, you get 97% of that sale. If there's no sale, you get 97% of the organic sale of the course. Now, to get to coupon codes for discounts, you say create new coupon. And here you're presented with the options. You can have free along the bottom, I rarely use them, or paid on the row along the top. Now, I have never sold a course at a discount of $13.99 to $19.99. So I always use the $9.99 tab for my discounts. You should too. Sell your courses at a discount for $9.99 using promotional announcement emails. So that's how you promote Udemy courses and sell more of them. Now, Udemy courses themselves do some more promotion. The first thing that you can do is in the lecture named Course Resources, you can put affiliate links. These are links that grant you up to 50% of the revenue from a sale of a product that is required to watch this course. Here you can see a course in which I have several affiliate links to Publisher Rocket, Artistly, and a product called LinkPod. Put these in a lecture named Course Resources up front, and you can see here it's the second lecture in this course. The next thing that courses can do to promote is that they can ask for a review. About halfway through the course, I like to add a lecture, either textual or video, explaining how to leave a review and asking students to please do so. This is the way you get reviews for a course, or a way. The final thing that a course can do is that it can point to other courses in the bonus lecture. And here you want to use a referral link to point. Now, what's the difference between a discount and a referral link? Discount links last a matter of 5 to 31 days, while referral links last forever. So you use referral links in permanent locations. Like here, the bonus lecture has to be the last lecture in the course. And you can put promotions of other Udemy courses in it, as I have here, using a referral link. So I get 97% of the revenue if the person uses the link to buy the course. The next thing that I want to talk about is sending educational announcements. So you get 2 promotional announcements per course per month to promote your courses, and then you get 4 educational announcements. You've probably been ignoring them and throwing them away. Well, what you should be doing is using them to promote your YouTube channel and specific videos. An educational announcement looks something like this that I use to promote my YouTube videos. Just put a link to the YouTube video and explain what it is and that it's free on YouTube, and Udemy will approve it. Now, why promote your YouTube channel and specific videos? Because the YouTube video description has a pointer to your Udemy courses to sell them. And here, once again, it's a referral link that you use to point back to the course that you want to sell. I usually just sell one course per video rather than having a list of them. Finally, you may be asking yourself, where do these YouTube videos come from? Well, they come from your Udemy courses. Find an interesting topic that you're discussing in a Udemy course and upload it as a video to YouTube. You can upload up to 50% of a Udemy course to YouTube without getting into trouble. So use your interesting Udemy course topics to stock your YouTube channel with lots of interesting information that points back to your Udemy courses. And that's the Udemy Connections diagram. Use it to create your own connections. This has been Brian Jackson with your Udemy course marketing tutorial on Udemy Connections. I'll see you in the classroom.